A United Kingdom and Wales-based company, Electricity Management Services Limited (EMS), has sued Vice President Constantino Chiwenga after losing a tender to supply smart meters. EMS is also challenging payment of $50,000 security demanded by the respondents in order for them to hear the challenge. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. The company cited the Procurement Regulatory Authority of Zimbabwe (PRAZ), Chiwenga, Zimbabwe Electricity Transmission and Distribution Company (ZDC), Finance Minister Mutuli Ncube, and Inhement Co. Limited as respondents. According to court papers, the dispute emanated from a tender for the supply and delivery of prepayment vending meters to ZDC. EMS and Inhement Co. submitted bids, and the latter was successful. EMS sought to challenge the bidding process and was advised that it should pay the sum of $50,000 to lodge the challenge. EMS, however, argued that the requirement to pay security to challenge a bidding process was unconstitutional. The laws in Zimbabwe on security costs read that when a company or a foreign company or a private business corporation is plaintiff or applicant in any legal proceedings, the court may at any stage require sufficient security to be given for those costs and may stay all proceedings till the security tendered. However, applicant's lawyer advocate Tawanda Zuwarara submitted that the procedure for security for costs is provided for under the High Court rules. The company also submitted that PRAZ was holding its funds totaling to $61,031,947 and hence it was weird for security for costs to be paid. Given that the matter is fairly complex and is of great significance on the issue of a peregrine challenging the Zimbabwean laws on a constitutional point, in my view, the applicant ought to pay security for costs. The judge said he deliberately dealt with the issue of locus standi because an order as to payment of security for costs is interlocutory. It gives the applicant an opportunity to pay the security for costs, and then the other preliminary issues and the merits, if warranted, will be dealt with, the judge said. This is today's news about Chiwenga. So let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.